Hostinger is one of the most feature-packed, affordable, and reliable hosting provider. No matter if you are just starting up or you have a well-established business with thousands of customers visiting your website. Hostinger has a hosting plan that suits your needs. The best part is that it is a very easy to manage and affordable platform. The Hostinger dashboard is very intuitive and even a non-tech savvy business owner can easily use it to set up and manage his or her website. In this video, let's explore Hostinger and find out how to purchase a hosting and set up your account on Hostinger. So are you ready? Let's go! Now, why should you choose Hostinger? Well, let's see. So Hostinger has a network of data centers. These are servers that are set up all around the world. And the best part is that they have one here in India, in Mumbai. So that makes it possible for you to have a server close to you. And what does that do? Since most of your customers would be from India, a server in India would enable them to reach your website faster. So a server closer to your location means that your customer's request does not have to go all around the world and then come to your website. If a customer sitting in Delhi wants to buy something from your website, and if the server is in, say, London or New York, then his request will go from Delhi to New York, and then from there it will be processed. So it will take time for the request to reach the server. Whereas if the server is in India, your website would be faster because from Delhi to Mumbai, the request would reach much faster. So that is why having a local data center is a huge advantage. The next factor is that it is a very budget-friendly hosting. So they have plans starting from as low as rupees 89 per month. In the next slides, I'll show you their exact plans that they offer, and you have to select the best plan that suits your requirement. The next thing is that it's a very reliable hosting provider. They boast of 99.9% uptime. Another important factor is that they offer free domains with their premium and business plan. A free domain means that you don't have to pay for your domain name, and I think they offer it for 1 year, if I'm not wrong. Another important factor is that they offer free SSL certificate. So if you take Hostinger hosting, whatever website you set up on this hosting would automatically get an SSL certificate, and that would make your website trustworthy and your customers would be comfortable interacting and transacting on your website. Last and not the least, they offer business email. So that will make your interaction with your customer more professional. And the last point is that it's very easy to use. So they have one-click WordPress installation. Their dashboard is also very intuitive and easy to use, which I'll show you as we go forward in this video. Now, what are the different type of hosting options that Hostinger offers? Well, let's go to the Hostinger website and look at them in detail. You can access the Hostinger website using this link that I have provided here. This link basically has my referral code already embedded into it, so you get 20% extra discount on top of whatever discount Hostinger is offering at that time. So this would definitely be beneficial to you. So you can click on this link and visit Hostinger website. And now let's go and explore all the various options offered by Hostinger. So once you land on the Hostinger website, on the top here you can see services. When you click there, you will see all the type of different services and product that Hostinger offers. So this is managed hosting for WordPress. This is basically the WordPress hosting option. This is web hosting, which is the shared hosting option. This WordPress hosting is also shared hosting, but they have cloud hosting options also. This is VPS hosting, which is dedicated server for your website. So these are all different type of hosting options that they offer. They also have business email, Google Workspace integration. They also provide domain names to you if you want to buy your domain name directly from Hostinger. I would preferably suggest that you buy your domain name from a different provider. It's always better to keep your domain provider and your hosting provider separate. In case you want to tomorrow upgrade to a different hosting provider, it would be easier for you. You just have to point the DNS to a different hosting. They have e-commerce builder, website builder. Horizon is basically their AI powered app builder. So there are a lot of options and services that they provide, but we are here for hosting. So let's scroll down on this website. As you go down, you will see the different hosting plans available. These are the plans that Hostinger offers. It starts from rupees 89 per month. But this plan is a very basic plan. You just get one website. It has 10 GB storage. They also give you a mailbox and unlimited SSL. There are weekly backups. But then for any good business and a good website, you need to have at least daily backups. So daily backups start from this plan, which is the business plan. In this plan, you can set up to 50 websites. You have decent memory available for storage, because as you add more pictures and products on your website, it will consume storage. So this plan gives you decent storage, and if you actually have more than one businesses, you can set up to 50 websites on this particular plan. You get decent number of emails that you can set up. It supports WooCommerce. WooCommerce is basically used for e-commerce on WordPress. They have SEO enabled on this particular plan. They give you free CDN, like I explained in the previous video. CDN is basically content distribution network, and it helps in making your website fast. If your customer is based in US or UK or somewhere else outside India, but your website server is in Mumbai, India, so if they try to reach your website, it will take time for that website to open, and they might just leave. This is where CDN comes into picture. CDN makes a copy of your content in different servers around the world. So if somebody is trying to access your website from UK, his request will go to the nearest CDN server, and your website would be opened for him. So that would be much faster. So this is where CDN comes into picture. So a lot of these features are available in this plan. So if you want to start, you start from business. As you are a business owner or a startup owner, you should look at these two plans. These are still very cheap. 229 rupees per month or 599 rupees per month is not very expensive as compared to a lot of different hosting providers out there. The kind of features that Hostinger offers is unmatched. So keep this in mind and go through this offering page in detail and look at all the features that are available, and make sure that you go for the plan that best matches your requirement. I personally have this cloud startup plan, so this serves my purpose. I use this for my personal websites, so it's a good plan. It's a very decent plan. I've had no problems with it. Now that you have seen different type of hosting options, and you must have made up your mind with what hosting option you want to go ahead with, let me show you how you can purchase a hosting on Hostinger. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial of how to purchase a hosting on Hostinger. You can just follow along with this tutorial and learn the process. I will also leave a step-by-step guide in the description, which you can access and follow along. So here we are back on the Hostinger homepage. If you have come to this page using the link that I've provided, you can see that there is an additional 20% off that would be applied after you select your hosting and want to purchase it. Now you have to scroll down and go to all the hosting options that are displayed. Choose the one that you want to go ahead with and click choose plan. Once you click choose plan, you would be taken to the cart page. Here you can see all the different charges, and you can also see that the referral discount of 20% off is applied. So this is my discount referral that you would be getting here. Now Based on the number of months for which you take the hosting, your discount would vary. Now keep one thing in mind. The maximum discount is available for the maximum duration. So if you select 48 months, you will get the maximum discount. You can change the duration for which you want to buy the hosting. It's called period here. So just click on this drop down and you can basically select the duration. You will get the option for 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. So select 24 months, you will get 239 rupees per month cost. But if you select 48 months, you will get 183 rupees per month cost. So decide the duration for which you want to buy the hosting and then click continue. After you click continue, you would be asked to either register or log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can register by entering your email ID and password and then click register. After registering, you would be taken to this page where you have to provide your billing address, your name, your address. And if you have a company, you have to check mark this box and enter your company details. And after you have done that, you click on continue. Once you do that, you would land on this billing page where you will have multiple payment options like card, UPI, PayPal. Now, since you are in India, you can just select UPI option. You click on submit payment. After that, you have to enter the phone number and the UPI ID. The phone number should be the one that you use for that UPI ID and then click continue. After clicking continue, you have to finish the payment on the UPI app for which you have provided the UPI ID. And then that's it. You would have purchased your first hosting and then you will land on the hosting dashboard. So after finishing your purchase, you will land on the hosting dashboard and this is how it looks like. It's a very simple and neat and clean dashboard. Your hosting type that you have purchased would be visible here. So like I told you, I have Cloud Startup for my personal websites. Any domains that you have purchased would appear here. If you have taken business email from Hostinger, all that will also appear here. Since Cloud Startup comes with free email, I have all of them listed here. I can have free email for all of my websites. All the websites that you host on Hostinger can be seen from this option over here. The complete list of websites would appear. So here you can see I have around 13 websites on this particular hosting. They also provide option of migrations where if you already have a different hosting, you can easily migrate that website to Hostinger. Any domains that I purchase can be accessed from here. So this will show the domain portfolio that I have. All the email accounts can be accessed from here. If you have a VPS hosting, you can access it from here. Your billing details are here. Your account details will be over here. So everything that you need to set up and manage your website is available on this dashboard. As you can see, it's a very simple and intuitive, and neat and clean dashboard, very well organized. There is nothing technical here. In my upcoming videos, I'll take you step by step through all of these various options that are available here so that you can set up your website very easily and run your business from here. So all the steps that I've shown you just now, I have actually prepared a guide for these steps, and all these steps are available in this presentation. I will leave the link in the description so that you can access this presentation. So everything is available here. You just have to open each screenshot and follow along. Right? My referral link is also provided here, which you can use to get additional 20% off. So like I had shown you, once you finish the purchase process, you will land on the Hostinger dashboard. It's a very simple and beginner-friendly dashboard, and it's much simpler than cPanel. Now, in case you have any challenges or you face any problems while using Hostinger, Hostinger has a lot of knowledge base. There are a lot of tutorial videos already available, and if those don't solve your problem, there is also a 24/7 live chat available, which looks like this. So it's there on the main dashboard itself. Let me show you. So here we are back on the dashboard. At the bottom right hand side corner, you can see Ask Cody. So that's the 24/7 support chat. You can just click on it and it will open up like this. And you can just type in whatever problem you're facing or whatever solution that you need. You can just type here and start chatting with Cody. So that's how they have set up their support system. So this was a step-by-step tutorial of how to purchase your hosting on Hostinger. In the next video, I will give you the step-by-step tutorial of how to connect your domain name to your Hostinger hosting. As always, the link to this presentation and the step-by-step guide will be in the description. If you got some value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.